All right, as you guys can see, the fig tree leaves are coming out nice and strong, so we're going to give it a little bit of fertilizer. I'm using some of this 20-20-20 just to kind of help jumpstart it a little bit more, and we may fertilize it one more time and then that'll be it, and hopefully we get a lot of good figs this year. So we're just going to pour this right through the weed barrier. This should soak in. Alright, so we used some 20-20-20. We watered it in. We'll check back in a week or so and see how it's doing. This fig tree has been planted in the ground for about 3 weeks or so, and this definitely seems to have taken off once we transplanted it to the ground. All right, stay tuned.